Today's vlog is brought to you by Absolute Charm Vacation Rentals.
Boneses! Boneses, sir! Sir Boneses! Did you try to jump up the chimney? What were you after? How's Mama gonna get that off your face? Okay, well, we're gonna try to get the soot off your face now, buddy. Oh, goodness. We got a lot of it off, didn't we, buddy? Can you tell them what you did? Can you tell everybody that you were hunting something and you decided to jump straight up the chimney? And when you came down again, half of you was no, you don't want to talk about it? It's embarrassing. I don't think you should be embarrassed. I don't think you should be embarrassed. It was a really good look how far you jumped up there. Look how far down on you there is dirt. You jumped really far. Can you tell everybody that you've lost about 3 pounds and you're feeling super spry? You were chasing the kittens around, decided to take a trip up the chimney? And that's as much as you let Mama get off your face? Okay, we'll try a little more later when you're feeling less spicy. Okay, more mail from a state that I have not received mail from, Wyoming.
Hey.
So this is from Michael in Wyoming. Oh, it's a puppy dog lost card. I'm gonna read this here in just a second, Michael, but thank you so much. And I think that this is Michael. That's a girl. I had a best friend in high school whose name was Michael. And the way that you tell if it's a female spelling, I'll cover the address. It's because there's an extra E at the end. Isn't that a beautiful name? I love being Lane. I love could be either way.
Out of the box name.
Yes, out of the box name. Thank you so much. We'll read this and we'll appreciate it. But look at this. Look at this sweet card. Oh, and this says this is her girl's company, tuxberryandwit.com. Awesome!
The
card
is. Oh.
I love it.
Well, there you go.
Amazing. Thank you, sweet friend.
Austin and Lane. She's showing off her jewelry. But I was going to show you, she planted zinnias all in front of the fence. And I don't know what a zinnia looks like. You probably do. But they're growing, so that's cool. That's a rose bush, climbing rose. And then we got climbing roses down here, so we will eventually put an arbory kind of a thing there. And so we have climbing roses on both sides that will climb up it. And it'll be a real pretty entrance into the cottage. And there's Jack. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Somebody needs his air conditioning. This boy loves air conditioning. Austin is making good progress on the giant pocket door. Getting it ready to go. Looking beautiful. And I see that Eddie and his crew have been in here leveling this. So what they did is they put it 1x4s on everywhere, and then they ran a string line across every board to see if it was high or low. And so basically, I'll show you right here, that string line, they were able to see that it was high there. So they put in spacers, a bunch more spacers right there. So they were able to level up that ceiling that was all over the place. And now drywall will sit in there really, really nice.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are headed to New Orleans to pick up a mantle for Hope Farm. It has been dip stripped and it is ready to come back, and we are going to be taking either inside this vehicle or we are prepared to take it on the roof. However we need to take it, we're going to take it good. So keep an eye out for that, I guess. All right, now we're gonna see if that fits in here. So it didn't quite fit in the vehicle. We're about to secure it to the roof. I'm very hopeful that this is gonna go well. I might make Austin drive home because he says he was a Boy Scout. It should be fine. Little update. We made it out of that alive.
We did it.
Now we just need to make it back to Natchez without this sliding around anywhere. We went down a pretty steep hill out of that parking garage and it didn't come like falling forward. So
We love a win.
that's a win. So I am keeping an eye on the roof of the car via mirror.
You alright?
It was just the sudden movement. I was like, oh my god. Okay. It's still looking good. Don't mind the canvas. It's flapping in the breeze. But she hasn't moved.
Are you headed to Natchez for one of our many year-round festivals, balloon races, music events, Christmas tree lighting, parades, historic home tours, historic cemetery tours? Natchez, Mississippi has so much to offer year-round, but we know when you get here, you're going to be looking for an absolute charming place to stay. And that's where we think at Absolute Charm Vacation Rentals, we have just the place for you. Anything from a beautiful, charming southern front porch overlooking the majestic Mississippi River, perfect for sunsets, sunrises, to an intimate, cozy cottage with a private hot tub, pet-friendly places, family-friendly places, and girlfriend, get-out-of-town, getaway places. We have it all at Absolute Charm Vacation Rentals. So we invite you to go to our site, absolutecharm.com/Natchez, and we look forward to seeing you in Natchez, Mississippi real soon.
Hello, people of the internet. 'Tis I, yet again. More painting. So we have reached the most dreaded part of this project, and I don't mean dreaded in like a derogatory way per se. It's just the most challenging. So all of these doors, I did a lot of research before I got into Natchez and while I've been in Natchez. So I went to places like Melrose, Stanton Hall. I have pictures from when I toured Lansdowne of all these different homes in Natchez that have faux bois, because I want our doors to look like they would have been painted around the same time. And it would be very strange if people went to all these different homes and then they got to Hope Farm and they didn't look anything like the other homes of the period. The only problem is there is nothing this big anywhere. So now I have the fun challenge, but challenge nonetheless, of trying to make this look like it would have been faux bois by the same people at the same time. And I'm not entirely sure how to do that. So we're just gonna take a ride and see how it goes.
I love the combination of Restoring Hope shirts that you wear every
Yes,
day.
I have an array of them.
All right, lots of door happenings. Doors. I got a sneak peek and I love what I'm seeing.
Good.
Love. Let's see what Lane thinks.
Oh yeah, she's beautiful. That's gorgeous.
Yay.
Beautiful.
Are you kidding? Come on.
Are you kidding?
Look at that.
Gorgeous.
I love
Now
it.
I have to find hardware that's like worthy.
I
Beautiful doors.
love it.
This is the spec. You can just give it that.
Well, I want to smear it. Oh, okay.
This is everything's striped, but this part and this part.
Okay.
So.
Here, let me get up on this 3-step.
That's the 3-step of doom. Be careful.
3-step of doom.
Yeah, he fell off of it
Trying to kill me.
and almost broke his arm.
Trying not to get my hair in the paint.
I'm sure there's plenty of your DNA in the paint.
Oh, for sure.
Okay. Up. Up. Woof. Did you see that? My thing just skipped on me. All right, let's switch places.
Okay.
Well, his feet are under it.
Huh?
His feet are under it.
I can get my toes out.
Okay.
You go up there and guide, and I'm going to
All right, just be careful.
Get a
This
little-
big board is wet, so I don't
on
want
the
to.
middle as
We'll
well.
have nice Kevin face. All right. Very curious.
Ooh.
go
Oh, oh,
Yeah,
oh.
you gotta go higher. Go up. Go up, and then right there. There's that top one.
How am I doing on the middle?
You're off on your middle is just so go up. Come in, up a little bit, up a little bit, up a little bit, up a little high. There, right there. That's it. That's it. You're in.
Look at that. Woohoo!
Hey!
Don't shut it. Don't shut it. Don't shut it. Remember?
All right, so
Gorgeous.
it's dry on the side. I can put something here so that they.
So,
So that nobody-
and put a sign that says "Do not close."
How heavy is this? That's pretty heavy. Just do this. Needle.
Look at that. It's so shiny. Beautiful, Austin. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Beautiful. I hate you can't see it better on this vidya.
I love it.
Beautiful.
Good. I like it too. I'm happy with it.
You want to see what it looks like from the outside.
Ah, it's so good. Oh my gosh.
That looks
Honestly,
great.
It looks like raw wood. It just looks like big wood panels.
Really?
Yes.
Well, let me come out the other door and
It's
try.
so faux blah.
Do you need me to hold it where it is, or is it okay?
I got a can. All right. All right, not fall down the stairs.
Oh my gosh. I mean, look. It's
That
just
is-
like huge slabs of oak. It's beautiful.
Round of
So
applause.
It's crazy.
Well done.
I'm thrilled.
Look what I'm gonna do.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna mow the yard while I'm at dinner.
Shut
That's
up.
kind of cool, huh? Start.
Look at it go.
Look at that. That's cool, huh? It's a very cool app.
Look at that. Look how cute
It's
he
kind of
is.
find its own path, and
Go, little mower, go. Okay, we're gonna go eat dinner. You have the yard mode when we get back. What'd you just finish up, Kevin?
I'm finishing dinner and I finished mowing. How cool is that?
Awesome. Does it say you
Yes.
finished mowing?
One time mowing is complete.
Oh, love it. Look at that. Austin and Matthew's last night in Natchez for a little while. Gave them a glorious sunset. So much prettier in person. Why can the phone never capture a sunset? Love it.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby even on the phone.
All right, time to give everybody a report.
It did not go well. There was great heartbreak in the land. Wah, wah.
She's talking about the auction. Tell them what you're telling about.
Well, as many of you know, and you've been asking about, there was a huge auction of Feather Edge. But, oh, somebody's trying to crawl your leg.
Not a climbing tree.
Green and blue. Oh, we forgot the kitty cat tree. We have to go get that. Green and blue Feather Edge over the weekend. I've been watching the auction for 3 weeks. I was so excited because often these auctions online, I can get things at a really, really good price. I told you I was going to be stupid with what I would spend, but not ignorant. And unfortunately, many things in this auction went for ignorant prices. Kevin's going to throw in some pictures to show you what these things went for. Now, On the face of it, and I know this is a lot of money, but on the face of it, it doesn't look overpriced. It actually looks like a really good price when you consider what these plates sell for individually. However, when you buy at an online auction, you have to pay a buyer's premium, sales tax for the state that the item is in, and shipping. So on top of the prices that you're seeing, you've got a 25% additional buyer's premium. You've got sales tax, which for some reason I'm thinking was like 11% on this auction, and then shipping, which was going to be crazy high because these are very breakable. They were big lots and they would have been in lots of boxes. So I did not buy anything in this auction.
Well, I thought you got one or two things.
No,
Nothing?
I bought nothing in this auction. The good news is that I had seen another auction a few days before that had a lot, and I'll have him show you this picture now, that I thought, I'm about to bid on all this other stuff in this other auction, so I'm not even going to bid on this lot. That I don't need all this stuff. But it went really, really, really low. And so I was like, well, shoot, for this much money, I'm going to go ahead and bid on this lot. And now I'm so grateful that I did, because I got 2 plates, a serving dish, a red feather edge platter, which red is the rarest color. There's hardly any, so I can turn around and sell it and make some money on it. And then a couple other pieces. So a lot of heartbreak, a little agony, a little ecstasy this weekend. But I did get some pieces, but not the pieces from that auction. And that's just how it goes sometimes.
Yeah, and they all had a cliffhanger from Friday till
I know, and
Monday.
I feel bad that it was a wah cliffhanger, but sometimes the main character does in fact get decapitated in a show, and you're like, that's never going to happen. Sean Bean's a huge star, and then they do in fact decapitate him, and a few of you will know what I'm talking about. So
I have no clue what that's about.
sure you do. You actually remember saying, "Oh, he's a huge star. They won't kill him," and then they did. It's been a few years. I'll have to remind you. But anyway,
There you go.
I got some pieces, but not a lot. So the hunt is still on. I guess that's the good news. The hunt is still on. Everybody can still be looking for green feather edge for me.
All right, end of the video. Say okay, bye.
Okay, bye.